girlies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Now again, I haven't filmed for a little while because I keep getting sick. I'm sick again, but like I just want to power through now. So in today's video is a lovely video because I am collabing with two other YouTubers. I am collabing with Charlotte, who you might know here on YouTube as Lottieloves. Please go and subscribe to her. She's just started a YouTube channel not too long ago and I love her content. If you love Colourpop and you love testing videos and unboxing videos, kind of what I do here, then you're really gonna love her. And then the next YouTuber, which you already know who she is Makeupwithalixkate. Definitely go and subscribe to her if you haven't, because she does exactly the same kind of content I do, except there's a little bit of twist with her. Sometimes she like tests different types of makeup. I love when she tests like Beauty Bay makeup and stuff like that, so definitely go and check out Alex too. Like, itchy nose again, you're gonna see me itch my nose or sneeze a lot because I'm so ill. But yeah, I love those two girls. I love their channels, so definitely go and check them out. Again, I feel a bit weird filming on camera because I haven't filmed since my Powerpuff Girls review. Most of the videos I've been putting up are pre-filmed from like August, beginning of September time, because that is how ill I have been. So today we are testing the new Hocus Pocus palette from Colourpop. This is what it looks like if it wants to focus. It is absolutely stunning. And then this is what the inside looks like. I'm really excited to play with this. I must admit I'm a little bit not as excited as I was as last year's palette, which looked like this. This palette is much bigger. Look at the size difference. And this is the front and the inside, and I just loved it much more than I did this year's palette. So this is the Hocus Pocus palette. This is last year's palette, so 2020, and then this is this year's palette, 2021. Then along with last year, or this year's collection, sorry, we have 3 of this Fresh Kiss lip creams. I've actually not really tried these. You've got 3, so you've got Tonight We Fly, Hello Boys, and Carmine Circle. And obviously you got the 3 of them on there. And I also ended up picking up last year's lip kits because I was so sad when I wasn't able to get these. And again, look at it. I kind of like the packaging of this year's lip products, but these are actual lip kits this year, whereas last year it was actual lip kits, and this year it's lip creams. So maybe I'll test all of that out, but let's go ahead and swatch the palette. We have all the shades swatched here. They are absolutely gorgeous. This shade here, the gold, that was the most creamiest shade to actually swatch. I really loved swatching that one. These were really nice. They've got some nice mattes in there. I am super excited to play with this palette, like proper excited. Just want to go in with this shade here called All Hallows Eve. We're just going to put that up the top here, and we're kind of just going to dab it in and then swipe. There's a lot of kickback in the pan, and I'm going to go for this shade here next to it called Moon is Round. All blending together seamlessly. Now let's go in with Green Nude. I'm just going to keep going through all these mattes and just really building up these crease colours, because there's what, 7 colours. We could possibly get through them, possibly. Let's go in with Fur Black as Black. Fur Black as Black. Let's go in with Circle of Salt. I'm thinking I want to go over with 300 Years and just brighten that green up a bit. And we'll go back in with Fur Black as Black and just like blend out the edges, but I actually like it much better now that I've put that 300 Years over the top. So, gonna clean up the eye, do the base makeup, and we'll come back for lips and underneath the eyes. I've done the rest of my makeup. The only thing on my base that is Colourpop is Wisp highlighter, because that is just my favourite. Now let's go under the eyes, and I want to go in with the purple shade called Hello Billy. I love that. I love the like effect of the green and the purple. That looks so good. Gonna do the other eye and then we'll get into the lips. I'm so excited for the lips. Are we ready to do the lips? I have to use one of last year's lip kits. I just have to. So we've got I Smell Children, I Am Beautiful, and I Put a Spell on You. I'm so excited, but I don't know which one. I can't remember which colours these all were. Okay, so we have Winnie's one, which is this lovely red. I feel like any red is going to go with this look. That liner though, oh my god. Let's see what I Am Beautiful looks like. It's even darker. It's the bottom one. I feel like it's going to be this one. We've got I Smell Children, which is obviously Mary's, which is like in between shade of red. I love how it's 3 different shades of red. It's more of a pinkier red. We're going in the middle. We have to go with Sarah's one. It's just the nicest, darkest colour. And I feel like it's just a must. Wow, that red lipstick is amazing. And as you can see, I've now swatched all the new lip creams from this year's collection. So we have the shade on the end here called Tonight We Fly. So that is more of like the purpley undertone shade. Then we have the green shade called Hello Boys. Then we have the nude colour called Calming Circle. And this is what the front of the packaging looks like. And then these are what the boxes look like. So that is everything swatched. Now I do love these because they're very creamy and moussey feeling. This was the most moussiest and these were more cream, so I feel like they're going to be perfect. These lipsticks, oh my god, I love it, absolutely love it. And then the palette, let's talk about the palette. Now I love the actual packaging because you've got the 3 girls there and it's called Witching Hour. Then on the back you've got the like little, would you say cat faces? I thought they were cauldrons, but I think they're more cat faces than anything. And then on the inside it just looks really, really nice. And then obviously you've got the girls there and you've got the colors here, and I love it. Each color has like a matte and a shimmer. So you have like a matte purple, a shimmer purple, matte green, shimmer green, a matte like burnt red shade, and then you've got the shimmer, you've got a brown and a gold, and then you've got some neutral transitions. And I also added this shade in the inner corner and the brow bone. And this is a really, really nice little palette. A bit sad because I feel like this costs the same as this. I have a feeling they both cost $22. I'm not sure, so you will see a little clip at the top here saying what each did cost, but I love it. Now I'm a bit not as excited for this palette as I was for the old palette last year. This one was just so much nicer. It kind of did the same where it had a green matte and a green shimmer, a purple matte, purple shimmer, a reddy tone burgundy matte, and then like a burgundy shimmer. It did the same kind of concept. I love the girls there, whereas this one actually has a mirror in it. This is what it looks like next to each other, like the different shades. This year's obviously more brighter. Last year was more autumnal looking. So these are what they look like. I'm so glad they brought this back into stock with the lip kits because I was sad that I missed out on it. This was actually kindly gifted to me last year from one of Alex's patrons in a Secret Santa. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm slightly disappointed by it this year, but it worked amazingly, and I do love the colour story of it. The packaging is absolutely adorable, and yeah, I love it all over. I did add in the Bratz purple liner into my waterline. But that is the whole collection. I didn't buy like the little other bits that were with this year's collection. Like I think there was a candle, some jelly glitter things. I just didn't bother. I just wanted the lip kits and the eyeshadow palette, and that was me. So go and check out Charlotte and go and check out Alex. I hope you really did love this video, and I'm so grateful to be doing a collab with the girls. I do love their videos so much, and I hope you guys did enjoy this. Please smash it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.